Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your computer if you're having issues with it. So if we go on down to search, type in restore, and we should have the option for create a restore point. So let's just go to restore point right here and open this up. And if we create a restore point at some point, we could just go to system restore right here and select this. And we can go through this little window and go to one of our restore points. And then we can just choose it and go to next. So I think that Windows does this automatically if you have it set up correctly. Otherwise, you'll have to go through here and just make sure device protection is turned on for Windows C drive, indicated by this little window symbol. Go to configure, turn it on right here, and make sure there's enough space on there. And then go to create a restore point. So once we have a restore point created, we can just come back here and restore it at any point in time. So you can do this very easily just through this screen. Otherwise, if you do launch it into like the recovery screen, you can go to system restore under there as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.